Sintex, since 1975. With India's #1 water storage brand, let's learn how to install a tank. Installation video manual for 5,000 litres and above overhead water storage tank. Create an RCC base of 4 inches height and 6 inches bigger diameter than tank. Base should have plain, smooth and rigid surface. Be sure that the surface is clean and doesn't have small stones, as small stones may lead to puncture in tank once it's filled with water. To create an outlet hole, first mark the exact location of hole to be drilled. Location must be below 180 degrees the top pocket. Now determine the size of hole to be made in the tank. Please refer the manual for hole size. Also check the hole marking on the tank. If hole size is less than 2 inches, drill hole with hole saw cutter. For holes with 2 inches and more, determine size of the hole to be made in the tank. Mark one more circle with less diameter than the final hole diameter. Drill 5 to 6 mm hole between intermediate space of 2 circles. Remove center portion of plastic to get drilled hole. Remove redundant material in circumference of outer circle with hand file. Now insert outlet nozzle with flange to outlet hole. After fixing nozzle, weld tank hole all around circumference with hot air gun. Now weld the HDPE gusset plates at 90 degrees angle on each side to rigidly fix fittings to tank. Connect outlet nozzle to pump inlet with 1 meter flexible hose pipe fixed in between, so all vibrations can be absorbed by flexible pipe. It also allows tank for bottom expansion after filling of the tank with water. Give suitable support to all fittings. Now install all plumbing fixtures. Procedure for interconnection of 2 tanks. Interconnection should be done by flexible hose piping fixed between 2 tanks, so that no vibration is passed on tank's outer surface. It also allows tank for bottom expansion after filling of the tank with water. Do not use rigid piping for interconnection, as this may result in collapsing of the tank. Tank installation is now complete and it's ready to use. Sintex. Active thinking.